Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share, the channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 6th video, we will focus on how to stop the victim's mentality in South Africa. The victim mentality is a complex issue that can be difficult to address. However, here are some possible steps that can be taken to help stop the victim mentality in South Africa. 1. Promote self-reliance. Encouraging individuals to take responsibility for their own lives and actions can help to counteract feelings of victimization. This can include promoting entrepreneurship, education, and personal accountability. 2. Foster a culture of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity. Encouraging individuals to develop resilience can help to build a culture of strength and self-reliance. 3. Encourage positive role models. Positive role models can inspire individuals to overcome challenges and achieve success. Promoting positive role models in the media and in society can help to counteract negative stereotypes and encourage a culture of achievement. 4. Address systemic inequalities. Addressing systemic inequalities, such as those related to race, class, and gender, can help to reduce feelings of victimization and promote a more equitable society. 5. Promote a culture of empowerment. Empowering individuals to take control of their lives can help to reduce feelings of victimization. This can include providing access to education, job training, and support services. 6. Encourage positive narratives. Promoting positive narratives about South Africa and its people can help to counteract negative stereotypes and reduce feelings of victimization. These are just a few possible steps that can be taken to help stop the victim mentality in South Africa. It will require sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders to promote a culture of self-reliance, resilience, and empowerment. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.